The High Court was informed that there is a group, WhatsApp group that is formed of various government officers, which group will be used by these government officers to find out solutions to the day-to-day problems which are faced by the commuters. Secondly, if anybody wants to raise any grievance or any complaint about anything that happens or if that doesn't happen on this stretch, there is a number which will be circulated and which is given to the High Court also, on which number a person can send a message of not more than 50 words informing the government as to what problems or grievances they have and what solutions they expect from the government as far as this stretch of road is concerned. That has been accepted by the High Court and an order to that effect has been already issued. As far as PWD is concerned, the executive engineer has been directed. He was called personally to the court. He has been told by the court personally to ensure that the contractors comply with all the requirements. The safety, etc., have to be the responsibility of this executive engineer. He was personally informed by the court today, and that happened in the open court today. There is an intervention that is filed by the resident of Porvorim, claiming that as far as drainage is concerned, there may be a problem in case there is a rain, and that intervention has been allowed by the High Court today. We will deal with this. The PWD will point out to the court within 4 weeks as to what will happen and within how much time the drainage will be cleared and that new drainage will be constructed in this area where the digging has taken place. That plan is it's already there, but the timeline etc. will be given to the High Court in a period of 4 weeks time, and it will be ensured that this stretch of erection or construction of drainage will be completed before the onslaught of monsoon. The matter is kept in the next week as far as other things are concerned. Like for example, there is a stretch at Hyundai showroom where the hot mixing has not taken place. The contractor told the court today that there is some leakage of water from the pipe which will be repaired in next 2-3 days time, and thereafter the hot mixing will take place. To see the compliance of that aspect, the court has fixed the matter on Monday now.